Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights because changing protections requires them. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Windows Security to centralize controls. You'll navigate to Virus and Threat Protection and then the controlled folder access area so Windows won't silently block installers. Make sure to pause active downloads before continuing. This prevents partial files from being quarantined. This setup gets you into the right panels quickly and avoids unnecessary restarts later. Next, adjust Smart Screen and Defender so legitimate downloads aren't stopped. You should set Smart Screen to prompt or allow for downloaded files and apps. This gives you control instead of automatic blocks. If an installer is still blocked, temporarily switch off real-time protection. Remember to re-enable it afterward. Also add your download folder or specific installer to the exclusions list so Defender ignores them. These steps directly address why Windows blocks files, automated heuristics, and folder protections. Finish by running the download or installer while observing any prompts. You want to confirm completion now that protections are adjusted. After success, make sure to re-enable real-time protection and remove any temporary exclusions to keep your system safe. If Windows still blocks the file, check Event Viewer under Windows Log Security to see the exact rule or signature that triggered the block. This tells you whether Smart Screen, Defender, or controlled folder access intervened so you can address the specific cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.